How to complete a sticker album in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are various ways that you can utilize in order to complete your sticker album. The first one being that you should log into your account daily in order to collect different rewards in the shop section, and over there you would be getting the cards as well. The second option is that there are some good paid deals. If you can spend some money, then there are some good deals, you can grab them. So it's completely fine even if you don't want to spend any money in this particular game. The third option is that you level up your net worth. With increasing net worth, you would be getting better rewards and better cards or stickers. The third way is that you can trade your cards. If you got any of the card more than one or two cards of the similar nature, then you can trade them up, and in the same manner someone else can also send you the cards that you don't have. All you have to do is just open up your album and there select any particular card that you want to receive, and after that open it up and you would get the option of ask the group, and this way you would be able to share it up on Facebook, and after that people would be able to send up that particular card to you, and this is how you do it. So these are some great ways in order to receive these stickers and complete your album. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.